This brush right here has done wonders for my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Christina Michelle, and go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Y'all, I am so excited because I am finally able to try out Tracee Ellis Ross's Pattern Beauty products. I love Tracee and I love her hair, so I was so excited when she finally launched a hair care line. For those that are not familiar with Tracee, Tracee is known for playing Joan on Girlfriends, and FYI, Girlfriends will be streaming on Netflix come this September. She's also known for playing Rainbow Johnson on Blackish, and she's known as the daughter of Diana Ross. So I went ahead and purchased a couple of the items that I really wanted to try out directly from Pattern Beauty website, and one of the products I purchased was the on-the-go kit, which looks like this. So it comes with her shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. So this on-the-go kit is going to cost you $24. These bottles are quite small. They are 3 ounces small, so it's basically a travel size, so that's why I guess it's called on-the-go kit. So if you're going out of town and you need a travel size shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner, this is the best purchase for you. Or if you're the individual that truly want to try out her products, but you do not want to make the commitment in purchasing her bigger size bottles, but you want to try out her shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner, the on-the-go kit is the best purchase for you. Again, I was kind of afraid about the size of the bottle, and particularly the leave-in conditioner, because I felt like the 3 ounce size would not be enough for my hair. So I went ahead and purchased her bigger size bottle, which is a 9.8 ounce, and this is gonna cost you $25. Tracee also sells oil for the hair, so I went ahead and purchased her Argan Oil hair serum, which looks like this, and this is a 3.9 ounce bottle, and this is going to cost you $25 as well. Tracee recently came out with gel products for your hair, so for those who do wash and goes and you put gel in your hair to seal in the moisture, I purchased the 9.8 ounce bottle, and this also costs $25. Lastly, I went ahead and purchased her shower brush, and it looks like this, and this is going to cost you $17. So I'm going to go ahead and meet you all in the shower, where we're going to try out the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner, and we're going to talk about each one of the products, and then we're going to come back in here where I'm going to apply and discuss the gel and the oil. So I'm going to start with the 3 ounce hydration shampoo for curlies, coilies, and tight textures, and apply it to my scalp. As you can see, it does have a nice lather, which I love because it makes me feel like my hair is getting clean. For those that are ingredient conscious, this shampoo is paraben free, free of SLS, SLES, free of cyclic silicones, and it is color safe. The shampoo states it's a hydrating shampoo that adds moisture, but to be honest, my hair did not feel moisturized at all. After I rinse out my shampoo, I'm going to grab the 3 ounce heavy conditioner and apply it to my hair from the roots to the ends. With the on-the-go kit, it only comes with the conditioner specific for coilies, but Pattern does sell the travel size medium conditioner for curlies and the intensive conditioner for tight textures for only $9. All of her conditioners are also paraben free, free of SLS, SLES, free of stylic silicones, and color safe. Overall, the conditioner is okay. It's not the best conditioner I've tried. I honestly found myself having to work the product through my hair more than usual to fully detangle my hair. This conditioner does not provide enough slip to assist with detangling, which was surprising due to how thick the product is. Once I completely detangled my hair, I rinsed out the conditioner and grabbed the 3-ounce leave-in conditioner. As you can see, the texture of the leave-in is not as thick as the rinse out, which was surprising. So I'm going to apply the conditioner to my hair from the roots to the ends. This leave-in is specific to all hair textures and is also free of paraben, SLS, SLES, cyclic silicones, and it is color safe. The bottle instructs you to cocktail in a few drops of the argan oil for an extra moisture and boost, but we will do that later. Overall, out of the shampoo and the conditioner, this leave-in really made my hair feel hydrated and moisturized. It was also easier to detangle and had more slip than the rinse out conditioner. In regards to the smell, all of her products smell the same. The smell is not overwhelming at all. The scent was actually relaxing. It felt like I was getting an aromatherapy treatment in the shower. Lastly, I grabbed the shower brush. The brush is for all hair textures and supposed to be utilized as a detangling tool and help the curls clump to provide definition. As you can see, it did just that, y'all. I was so shook as to how defined this brush had my curls look. I could not put the brush down due to how smooth it glided on my hair and just the overall result. So I brushed my hair back and I'll meet you all in the studio to apply the oil and the gel. So let's get started with talking about the argan oil. So the argan oil, again, is a 3.9 ounce bottle, and it says it's great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your hair needs extra moisture and protection. Suggested use is a little goes along the way. Apply a few drops to the palm of your hand and work the oil evenly into your hair. Can be used on wet or dry hair for adding moisture, either on its own or cocktail together with other pattern products. And it says, as a scalp treatment, apply a few drops to targeted areas around your head. Massage oil into the scalp. So we're not going to do the scalp treatment. We're just going to add it like as a cocktail along with the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to add a couple of drops to my hand, and then I'm going to rub it together. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the styling gel. So as stated early on, Tracee added a styling gel to her hair care line. So on the front it says curl gel, shine, define, and hold. And on the back it says great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your curls want to bounce and be free. Suggested use: apply on wet hair for wash and goes, braids, and twist outs, or on damp or dry hair for a sleek look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Try to show you all what the consistency is. It's very light. It's not too thick. Can you see that? I'm gonna apply it like I do with the praying hand method on this side. Okay, so that's it with the oil and the gel. I'll be back to show you how my hair looks after it has dried. So this is how my hair looks fully dried and being out for 7+ hours. I love how light her leave-in conditioner and her curl gel is. My hair does not feel weighed down, none whatsoever. It actually does not feel like I have any product in my hair at all. So if I was to repurchase any of her products, I would definitely repurchase her leave-in conditioner and the curl gel. Also, the 3-ounce bottles were enough, surprisingly, so I really didn't have to utilize the extra leave-in conditioner that I purchased. Overall, my hair feels soft, my curls are defined thanks to my new best friend, this shower brush. Y'all, I love this shower brush. I would definitely be adding this to my hair care regimen. Again, overall, I love her products. I would definitely recommend it. So that's it. That is all. Thank you all so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the experience. If there are any other products you would like for me to try, comment below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.